What I'm going to argue over the course of this webinar is that that's actually the wrong word. It's about clarity. It's about expectation to reality match. It is the clarity and not the simplicity in and of itself that makes tests effective. But in this case, I think that Canva, who wanted to represent more of their brand image, by bringing that in, it felt more authentic to a platform that is about design, to have those design components. So that's one side, but I'm going to push this a little farther. We actually have some really cool data there's a guy named Tom Orbach who ran an extensive study. He's the head of growth at Whiz, which just got acquired, by the way, by Google. If it goes through, we'll see, one of the largest acquisitions that we've seen recently, $30+ billion or something. Anyway,
it's one of the largest SaaS acquisitions ever, if not the largest. It's the fastest for sure. Yeah.
Whiz is a remarkable company, remarkable story, but he ran an extensive test also on this, and he compared plain backgrounds versus blurred product backgrounds for SaaS products. So you can look at this on Zendesk. You can look at tons of different platforms. He specifically looked at MyCase, MineOS, and Grin, and he found a 25 to 95% lift. You guys, we can link this to folks afterwards in the show notes if people want to read his case studies. It's on his blog, Marketing Ideas. But it's remarkable how much stronger the blurred product background was. So again, a kind of non-intuitive learning. We would think simplicity, keep it clean, keep it basic. And yet when we look at the data, we're finding something different, which is that there's this visual component. In the blurred product background example, there's probably something to, you feel like you're about to get into the experience. So someone is like almost teasing the experience before, and it's like, let me finish these boxes so I can get into it. There's a lot of psychology. And again, like I said, nuance. This is tied to B2B SaaS, right? But it's cool to see that data.
I have run a similar test twice before, and blurred is always the best. And my own interpretation of this is that it leads to a higher activation, because when you show a full platform in the background and they enter it and it's kind of empty, they kind of want to get more activated because it's already in their mind how the platform could look like.